Prototype Mini Excavator Operation Tutorial. Startup. Steps: power on. Push throttle lever. Turn key to start. Travel control. Both levers forward. Move forward. Both levers backward. Move backward. Left handle operations. Push forward. Extend arm. Pull backward. Retract arm. Right bend. Platform rotate right. Left bend. Platform rotate left. Right handle operations. Push forward. Lower boom. Pull backward. Raise boom. Right bend. Release bucket. Left bend. Close bucket. Dozer blade control. Pull lever backward. Raise blade. Push lever forward. Lower blade. Operate safely. Work efficiently.